high school bookmark.
Water is precious. Let's all save water. My favorite part of today is that I get to create a wheel to find out how much water certain things need.
Like for the cup of croissant, we need more than 200 liters of water.
Since you know Water Wally and Water Sally, she actually learned how to save the water.
I like Water Wally and Sally.
I like going through the factory. It was quite nice and I learned a lot of things.
I love the treasure hunt because it was very fun and we can answer questions and earn prizes.
Today I love to do the upcycling using the new water cartons.